is trying to access the offside field. Again, good bowling. He's bowling it to his field. Oh, good delivery, missed by the keeper. Chance of a run out. The rocket and gone. That's it. All out. Shree with the Mandir. Aryan Bosle with the throw. And Shree with the Mandir after winning the toss, deciding to bat first, being bundled out for 87. 87 for 10. And we'll have the run chase after a big break. Shortly we'll get you all the stats that are being compiled by our scorer. Top score by Amit with 16. Manoj Desai with 13. Rehan Parsekar with 13. And rest, well, nothing much to talk about. No one really getting a big partnership. And excellent bowling by the RCC Panjim.